Hi, class 9 students, boys and girls. Today we have the fourth video of chapter 2 about substances. We studied about these elements, compounds, mixtures, pure substance and mixtures. All these topics are so important for the coming chapters. Now we have to recall all the topics that you have studied in previous videos. Now we can think about the pure substance. Pure substance, pure substance only contains only one type of particles. And pure substance we can divide into elements and compounds. Elements and compounds. Elements which will contain only one type of particles, we cannot divide that elements again into simpler particles by any methods, any chemical methods. And the compounds are composed of elements by fixed proportion. For elements, example for elements, we have copper, zinc, iron, etc. Then oxygen, etc. are all examples of elements. And the compounds, water, HCl, CO2, etc. all are compounds. And the study about these elements, that is so important for the coming chapters. Compounds, H2O, hydrogen, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. 1 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of chlorine, 1 atom of carbon and 1 atom of 2 atom of oxygen. They are combined in a fixed proportion. When you are taking water in actually, water in Hapoli, water in Guwahati, water in Delhi, water in any place, it will be same. It is composed in the same proportion by 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. And that is the composition of compounds. Elements, some of the elements are found in the native state, free state in the nature. Copper, zinc, iron, oxygen, the elements may be solid, liquid or gas. In the same manner, compounds also may be solid, liquid or gas. And you have to get the proper awareness about this. What is elements? Elements contains only one type of particles, but compounds containing more than one type of elements combined in a fixed proportion. Hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid, it is combined in the same proportion. Carbon dioxide, carbon, oxygen combined in a fixed proportion. 1 atom of carbon and 2 atom of hydrogen, oxygen is combined. Then another H2SO4, H2SO4, SO2, different, you can see different compounds as an example of compounds, elements. Now I think you got some clear idea about the elements and the compounds. Now we have to think about the mixtures. Mixtures are a mixture of any two substance, any two substance. Homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous and heterogeneous we discussed in the earlier videos. Homogeneous means when we are mixing two substances, we cannot see the components separately. Such mixtures. Heterogeneous means when we are mixing two substances, we can see the components separately. It is visible to the naked eye. But homogeneous we cannot see. For example, salt and water. Salt and water. Water and alcohol. Water and alcohol. We cannot see. This is a mixture, this is also a mixture. We cannot see the components separately after mixing together. Such mixtures are known as, it is homogeneous. And heterogeneous. Then oil and water. When we are mixing oil in water, we can see oil and water separately. Then sand and salt. Sand and salt you can mix. You can see sand separately, salt separately. Okay. And this is a summary of the substances found in nature. And first we have to divide into matter into two categories. One is pure substance, another is mixtures. After that you have to think about the pure substance. Pure substance may be elements, may be compounds. Elements contains only one type of particles, but the compounds, more than one type of elements composed in a fixed proportion. And mixtures are maybe homogeneous or heterogeneous, either homogeneous or heterogeneous. The examples are salt and water, water and alcohol, oil and water, sand and salt. Okay, thank you for watching.